What's up, everybody? As you can see, we are at work. It is hotter than a motherfucker. So today I'm doing a little bit of welding. I bought a Lincoln Electric 120. What is it? 140. It's a AC welder. But yeah, I just wanted to give, put in my 2 cents on this welder. This welder is, damn good for the fucking price. It's a little, for people that don't know, and I guess kind of like me, you want to learn how to weld, but you don't want to spend too much money, because I know there's welders out there that cost $1,200, $1,500 and whatever, and you're just like, I don't even know how to weld. I'm not gonna spend all that motherfucking money. I'm just like that. I'm you. I feel you. So so I bought this welder right here. This little MIG welder. I'm currently flux welding with flux core. So I don't have the bottle attached to this thing. As you can see, the AC right there. And I bought all this other stuff. My little gloves comes in with, obviously, it has to come in with the clamp, and it comes with the gun, and you got your, obviously, your wire speed and voltage. So other than that, I like this welder. This is a nice welder. It is, it's I guess it's not pricey. For other welders will literally run you about 800 from, I guess, from 800 to like 1,500. But I'm damn happy with this welder. And for somebody that's never welded in their fucking life before, I got to weld. Honestly, I'm kind of hesitant on welding what I was gonna weld, because obviously, like I just mentioned, I don't know how to weld for jack shit. But this doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too terrible. This will hold. This is cleaned up a little bit. This wasn't cleaned up. You get the idea. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too terrible. Honestly, that will hold. This was my test right now before I actually went in there. And what I found was that, this was like my first one, blew a hole right through that shit. And there's another one, blew a hole right through that. And these were my little test practice or test runs, whatever. I guess what I found is you hit it a little bit. Like, I think on this one I hit it from like right here to like right there, and I stopped. And I turned it a little bit, and then I hit it some more. Then I stopped, and I just hit it. And I found that if you take your time doing this, you can get some decent, beginner welds. So I'm gonna see if I can try to like mount my camera somewhere around here, so I can show you guys a little bit of what it looks like. And that is the front intercooler piping for the SVO. Here we go. So yeah, we're gonna get it done and slap it back on the car. I might try to turn it on. I highly doubt it, but if I do, you guys will know by the end of the video.
Chico.
Alright, so here's the finished product. Like I said, my first time. Whoa. It don't look too good, but then again, it don't look too bad. There are some spots where you know, I felt pretty confident about it and I just started going. And there were some spots where like that bolt right there, that shit looks nasty. But you know, that if I wish I would have been able to, like these two right there, those two right there, I wish I would have kept that momentum going. It would have looked a lot cleaner. Here's the other one. Here's the other one. This one looks a little more sloppy because this was my first, I think this was the first hit right here. Yeah, it looks trash. That one looks whatever.